iOS 27 public beta just got released today, and you guys can install it if you want. But before you do that, here are a few things you would need to know or consider before you do that. So first of all, you would want to go to your settings, and then you go to your iCloud section. You scroll down, and then you are going to see iCloud over here, and then you scroll down again, and then you go to iCloud backup, and then you are going to make sure you back up your device. If you don't do so after installing, and then you want to go back to your previous OS you had, you might lose everything. So you would want to do that before you install the public beta 1, and then maybe if you have a change of mind and you want to go back, you would not lose what you had on your phones. So it's going to back up all these ones where you can see your photos, your passwords, your messages, mails, notes, and then in your drive. So this is one of the things you need to consider before you do that. And then the next thing you're going to do is you go straight to general, and then go to software update, and then you tap on this section right here. Mostly it's going to be off, and then you just tap on iOS 27 public beta, and then you are going to just swipe down like this, and then you are going to refresh it, and you'll see your updates popping up right here. I already have the updates installed on my device. This is actually the developer beta, which has been on my device for long. But in case you want to know how this OS looks like, I'm actually going to leave a video in the description so that you're going to be able to check it out and see if it's something you would want to try on your phone. But if you know you don't have a spare phone, I think you would have to reconsider. Maybe the second or third beta would actually be very great for you. But with this one, it's in between. It's 50-50. It might drain your battery. It might cause some little bugs. Some apps will not work perfectly. So you would want to really consider before installing it. And when you check out right here, you can see this is my daily driver. So I don't have iOS 27 installed on it. Go to my software update. You're going to see I have the current version, the iOS 26.5.2 on my device, which means I don't use this phone on a daily basis. So if you know you don't have any spare phone, you don't try it, else you are going to have issues with your phone. And if you care to just get skins too for your iPhones, I'm just going to leave a video in the description too, so you're going to be able to check out and then grab yours. So let me know in the comment section if you think this is actually very helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.